read your scenario and you can make your notes as well. 7 that, and you will rotate to the 4 again. And hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been 6 months I'm creating content on YouTube and Instagram, but then I realized I haven't introduced myself in a good way. So basically my name is Ginni. I am living in South Australia at the moment. I am from Punjab and I'm 25 years old. And ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਆਊਗਾ, ਮੈਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਤੋਂ ਡੇਲੀ ਹੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ, ਚਾਹੇ 2 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੀ, ਚਾਹੇ 3 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੀ, ਚਾਹੇ 5 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੀ, ਡਿਪੈਂਡਸ ਔਨ ਯੂ ਗਾਇਜ਼. ਵਟ ਐਵਰ ਯੂਰ ਡਾਊਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼. ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਡਾਊਟ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਛੱਡਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੈਲਪ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਮੇਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਔਨ ਦੈਟ ਟੋਪਿਕ. ਐਂਡ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਜੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ. ਲਾਸਟ ਮੈਸੇजेस ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਕਿ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣਾਈਏ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਐਂਡ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਆਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਕਿ OSCE ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੀਪੇਅਰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ OSCE ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੀਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਫਸਟ ਤਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਆ, ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੋਣੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. ਬਹੁਤ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਵਾ, ਬਟ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ. ਐਂਡ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ OSCE ਹੈਂਡਬੁੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. OSCE ਹੈਂਡਬੁੱਕ AHPRA ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਹੀ ਸੈਂਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ OSCE ਦੇ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ OSCE ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਉਣਗੇ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਨੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹੈਂਡਬੁੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਮੀ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 1 ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਟਾਈਮ 5-10 ਟਾਈਮਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰੀਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆ. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੱਧੇ ਡਾਊਟਸ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਅੱਧੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆਣੇ ਆ. ਸੋ ਅਗਰ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ OSCE ਦੀ ਹੈਂਡਬੁੱਕ ਦਾ ਲਿੰਕ ਹੈ AHPRA ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਵਾ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਦੈਨ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਇਨ ਦਾ description also. I will find because I had at that time. And one more thing, for OSCE you have to pay $4,000. First thing, you have to clear the NCLEX, then you have to pay for the OSCE, and you can give NCLEX in your home country. For OSCE you have to come to the Australia because OSCE is only conducted in 2 places Melbourne and Adelaide. So most of the time it's in Melbourne, but 2 times a year it's in Adelaide. So it's in the alternative months. If it's if the OSCE is in the Melbourne in the June, then in the July it's in the Adelaide. But I see from the last 3 years OSCE is conducted they are conducting OSCE in the Adelaide for only 2 times a year, mostly in the June and November. So but they will change, AHPRA will change, but I from the last 3 years in the June and November they are holding the OSCE in the Adelaide, but in all of the months it's in the Melbourne. I also gave my exam in last August in the Melbourne, so that was very good for me. And for that you have to pay $4,000 and then you will get visa and you will need to come to the Australia for that exam particularly. And in OSCE there are full 10 stations and you need to pass 7, and each station will contain 10 minutes. So you will get 2 minutes outside the room to read the scenario and 8 minutes inside to perform that task. And in 2 minutes you have to be in the outside. There will be chairs on that outside the room, so you have to sit and you will read your scenario and you can make your notes as well. In 2 minutes you need to read, you need to make note, and then after the 2 minutes the bell will ring and you need to go to the room quickly, and then your 8 minutes will start. And you will hear the bell at 6 minutes. That's for the last 2 minutes that you have only remaining 2 minutes. Then after 8 minutes there will be again bell, you need to go to the another room. I cannot disclose all the information, but this is the basics. And it's 10 rooms, 5 on that side, 5 on that side, Mostly there are like color code. Okay, sorry. So there are like I cannot disclose the more information. So there are like if you, there are 10, like there are 10 rooms, so there will be 5 on that row, 5 on that row. So everybody will start from each station. So basically, if you will start at 7, so 7th is your first station and 8th is your second, 9th, 10th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you will start at 1, so your first station is 1. If you will start at 5, your first station is 5th, and 5th, 6th, 7th, that, and you will rotate to the 4 again, and your circle will done. And then so after that you have to go and you are signing the confidential that sheet. So you are not allowed to disclose all the information, but this is the basics, so that's why I'm telling you. And another thing, just let me in the comments if you are not sure about anything, okay? And I will show you the handbook, OSCE handbook. This is like the good way to know how are what are the stations, because basically there are 7 stations you need to pass. Oh sorry, yeah, there are the 10 stations, you need to pass 7 stations, and particularly there are the 7 stations in the row you already know. But about the 3 stations, they have the criteria which stations will come, but they have a lot of topics to cover and others. And that's it. And after 1 month you will get your results, and after that you can, if you have, because nowadays students are getting 5 years of visa as well, but every 3 months you have to country out. And if you will getting the 1 year visa, then you can only visit for one time, you don't have, then they will not give you the multiple entries. So that's it. I think so. From as I told you earlier that I will start posting videos now like daily, because today also I ended my shift at 2 o'clock. I reached home at 2:30. Then I had my shower and these things. Then after that I slept and I woke up at 8 o'clock. Now it's 8 o'clock. I'm doing my cooking as well. So I'm doing my cooking as well, and see the messy bun and everything. And but I will make videos every day from now. And that's it. If you have any doubts, just comment me and I will definitely clear your doubts. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my videos, just subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye.